Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. We're on air and online at onespotmedia.com, and in Primetime News this evening, 7 people, including 4 teens, charged for brutal attack on 14-year-old in Clarendon.
Business leader calls for children to be left out of tribal politics and asks for sidewalks painted in party colors to be repainted.
And police making progress in daring Spanish Town abduction and a ransom incident. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. We're on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Giovanni Dennis. A special welcome as well to those of you watching on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands.
And I'm Andrea Chisholm with a preview of what's to come in business news. Here's Javon Keys.
Well, Andrea, in the COVID-19 pandemic, we saw shipping prices increasing. They leveled off somewhat, but there are some attacks taking place in the Red Sea, and we're seeing those prices going back up. So I'll have the details a little later on.
And Spencer Darlington is also here with a preview of what's to come in sports. Spencer.
Thank you very much, Giovanni. Well, a number of questions have been asked in recent times as to whether or not the Jamaican government is really supportive of cricket. We have got more details coming up later in Primetime Sports.
Thank you very much, Spencer. And Romaine Robinson, it's still cool. What's happening with the weather?
It's still cool. We still have some more northeasterly winds affecting most of the island, but we are expecting these winds to be turning more easterly on the weekend. Should be affecting weather conditions, especially across the west.
There's also sports commentary at E-Prime in this newscast, but before the break, here's our feedback question.
And this evening we're asking, what do you think should be given? Who do you think, rather? Let's do that again. Who do you think should be given the power to mediate or adjudicate on politically contentious issues, and why?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/televisionjamaica, and post on X at TVJ News Center.
Stay with us. Primetime News returns right after this break.